Hi guys, it's the Batch Lady here. I just want to give you a 1-minute top tip on things that you can do at home if you can't find ingredients in your local shops, okay? So at the moment it's quite hard for a lot of us to find self-raising flour. Yesterday I put online about the fact that if you have plain flour and you have baking powder, then you can put the two together and you can make self-raising flour, okay? So that's a really good hack. I'll put up on the screen just now what the quantities are, so that'll help you out. But my hack for today really is, if you have granulated sugar and you can't get out to get caster sugar and you want to do some baking, you can simply put it in your mixer, okay? So you're putting it in your blender and you're blending it up. When you blend it up, the granules will get smaller and it will go to caster sugar, okay? So great thing for you to know. So that's if you cannot get caster sugar, you can just use your normal sugar and put it in a blender. Now, I've got a really powerful blender here. This is one that's like one that people use in the cookery trade and stuff, and it's very expensive. But as long as you have a really good blender, you should be able to do this next hack, which is, if you cannot find icing sugar, okay, and your kids are desperate to bake and you've not got any icing sugar, as long as you've got granulated sugar, if you have a powerful blender, and I've done it with not a professional one before, I've done it with a normal one as well, it should work. So you're just going to pour your sugar in, and then you're going to give it a few short, sharp blasts, and just keep going, and it'll eventually turn. Let's try it. And we'll just check it now. It's got a safety feature, it doesn't open for a bit. Okay guys, and there you have it. Okay, it takes a couple of seconds to do, depending on the speed of your blender, but you end up with icing sugar. Okay, so if you ever can't get out for icing sugar, you're just using normal sugar, putting it in your blender, and you should be good to go. Hope you enjoy that top tip. Okay, take care everybody, bye.